hard and she's really restricted through here. So I can create the twisting movement, and every time I pop off, that's just more confirmation that there's restriction. You can also use your hands to do this. Have the twisting like this. Please don't get into movement patterns where you're doing the same thing all the time. You're still doing a twist, and we call it the twist and shout. You can twist as long as they don't shout. So no pain. So now, rolling rotation, the top of the cup moves, the bottom stays. You can see, do you see the little dent through here and restrictions showing up? So the neat thing is, as massage therapists, our hands are also our evaluatory tools. You just got a magnifying glass into the tissue. So not only your hands, again, you're going to feel through the cup. The cup is going to show you so much about people. And right here, I'm just trying to loosen this up on her. So a little bit of scooping around. The scoop is the only time you're ever going to press down with the cup, and you're only going to press with one edge. So create your suction, make sure you aren't scraping across her spine. And we're going right over the bra area, so this ought to be interesting. How's that feel?
Tight. I mean, it feels good, but like...
Tight. All right, I'm going to turn it up. Go in little increments with people as you turn these things up. Notice she hasn't gotten any marks at all. So it's interesting to me that there's no blood in her tissue. She must have had one heck of an easy life so far, huh?